Morning students, I hope you have taken your seat properly. Today we are going to learn the lesson phrasal verb. So it is very important for you to know what is verb phrase and what is phrasal verb. You have to know the difference between the verb phrase and the phrasal verb. So what is verb? As you know, we have learned in our previous class, verb is a word which denotes the action of the subject in a sentence. Verb is made up of one word. So what is verb? Verb is a word which denotes the action of the subject in a sentence, and it is made up of one word. That's why here verb is come, go, eat, sleep, is, am, are, was, were. Everything comes under the category of verb. That means it shows the action of the subject in a sentence. Next comes that is called the verb phrase. What is verb phrase? Verb phrase made up of more than two verbs or two verbs. Verb phrase is made up of two verbs or more than two verbs. As for example, is coming, is going, has eaten, has been taught. All these are examples of verb phrase. What is verb phrase? Verb phrase is made up of two verbs or more than two verbs. That is called verb phrase. Here one is the helping verb and another is the main verb. Is helping verb and coming is main verb. Is helping verb and going is main verb. Has is helping verb and eaten is main verb. So what we see? We see that when a verb takes more than one verb, that is called verb phrase. And next we comes to the phrasal verbs. So what is phrasal verb? Phrasal verb is made up of two words or more than two words. Phrasal verb is made up of two words or more than two words. As for example, put up with. Here put up and with are three words. All have singles meaning, single identity. All have singles meaning or singles identity. But when we add together, they made a phrasal verbs, and its meaning is quite different from their surface meaning. Its meaning is quite different from their surface meaning. Meaning word by words. What a single word mean, that is called surface meaning. Carry on with, live on, consist of, etc. are example of phrasal verb. Students, before we study the phrasal verb, it is important to know how phrasal verb is made up of. So phrasal verb is made up with adverbial participle plus verb plus preposition. So when a group of words or a phrasal verb made up with, that is called verb plus adverbial participle plus preposition. So when we make any phrasal verb, there will be a verb, an adverbial participle or a preposition So what is the combination of phrasal verb? The combination of phrasal verb is verb plus adverbial participle plus preposition. That's why we may call it a phrasal verb is of verb plus adverbial participle plus preposition. But most of the phrasal verbs are formed. Most of the phrasal verbs are formed with verb plus adverbial participle. Verb plus adverbial participle. That's why we have to know. That's why we have to know what is adverbial participle. To what is adverbial participle? Student, adverbial participle it is made up of another word. When a preposition, or there are few words in the category of preposition, they does the work both a preposition and an adverb. They does the work both a preposition and an adverb. That's why they are called the adverbial participle. When it does the work of a preposition, it is called preposition, and when it does the work of an adverb, it is called adverbial participle. What are they? They are along, across, above, around, etc. These words does the work both as a preposition and as an adverb. That's why they are called adverbial participle. So what is the work, or what adverb functions? So what is the work of adverb? The work of adverb, an adverb